we're going to be understanding the sine rule and how we can use the sine rule to solve for non-right triangles in IGCSE math. Now, I have a triangle here and I have labeled each angle side by the capitals and each side by lowercase. Now, the sine rule states that in such a triangle, sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, and it is equal to sine C over C. So sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, which is equal to sine C over C, okay? The big one over the side is equal to this one over its side is equal to this one over its opposite side, okay? Now that we understand this, again, it's just an equality. We can apply this to solve such a question. In this question, they gave me the angle here, and the side here, and they want me to find x, okay? Now we know A is 60 degrees, we know B is 80 degrees, and we know BC is 10 centimeters. So we can use the sine rule. According to the sine rule, sine A over A is equal to sine B over x, which is B is x, okay? So substitute the values. Sine 60 over 10, sine 60 over 10 is equal to sine 80 over x. We're going to use the crazy z method, okay? Multiply sine 80 by 10 divided by sine 60. So sine 80 times 10 over sine 60. Since it's an equality, we can use this ratio method, and we're going to get 11.37. So in such a question, when you have to find the unknown side, and it's a non-right triangle, sine rule is one of the most advised and best rules, unless it's SSS or SAS. In that case, we're going to use a cosine rule. Great. Now, before I end this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 famous Pythagoras triangles, okay? If 2 legs are given, we can know the hypotenuse just by memorizing the 4 famous triangles. Now, if the 2 legs are 3 and 4, hypotenuse is always 5. If the 2 legs are 6 and 8, hypotenuse is always 10. If the 2 legs are 5 and 12, hypotenuse is always 13. And if the 2 legs are 9 and 12, hypotenuse is always 15.